5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 150, left 8, 150, left 8 over crest, left 8 over crest, into right 9 long, 50, small crest, into left 9 plus, into right 8 half long here, stay in, line 80, right 7 plus half long, into left 8, line 200, left 8, line 200, flat left, 100 through water, and then we're coming up to the virtual chicane in 100 meters. Okay, 100 through water, and then flat right over crest ends, and then virtual chicane.
After the first one, I brake.
Okay, yeah, and slow down to 40. Slow down, slow down. Good. Okay, virtual chicane 100, and then flat right extra, extra long, opens 9 plus extra long. Repeat, line flat right extra, extra long, tightens 9 plus extra long, 100. Keep right over big crest, 80, left 9, flat right down. Repeat, left 9, flat right down. Left 8 and up, flat right, line 150. Repeat, left 8 and up, flat right, line 150. Left 7 plus, tighten 6 plus, and right 9 half long. Repeat, left 7 plus, tighten 6 plus, and right 9 half long, 80. Right 8 plus, 50. Flat left, 50, crest brake, 50, turn left 2. Into right 5. Into left 1 late. Oh, okay, it's okay. It's okay, back it up. Okay, good. Okay, left one late down there. 50, right 2 extra long.
Lost the brakes.
Okay. Through water, and then right 6 at gate, and then late turn, left 3 over crest, don't cut.
Yeah, no brakes at all.
Okay, no worries. Left 3 over crest here, don't cut, and then 30, right 9. Into left 8 long. Left 8 long. 30, right 9 half long over crest, right 9 half long over crest, line 150, right 9, after the line 150 we have right 9 plus long, tightens 8 plus short late, be right 9 plus long, tightens 8 plus short late, into left 9, 50, right 9, into right 9 plus extra long, ends over kick down. Be right 9 into right 9 plus extra long, ends over kick down. Into left 7 long off camber. Bumps 100. Right 8 right 8 plus half long. Be right 8 plus half long. Into flat left. Other brakes back or no?
No.
Okay, flat left into flat right, snow starts here. Brake, caution, icy left 7, up there.
Yep.
50.
Maybe if I pump, I get like
exactly,
a bit of feeling, but...
50. Flat left. 50. Right 9 plus long, tightens 8 late. 30. Repeat, right 9 plus long, tightens 8 late. 30. Caution, ruts in snow and ice. Left. Yeah, and then caution, there's snow and ice. Left 7 plus opens 8 long. 7 plus opens 8 long. 20, icy right 5, stay in late, don't go wide long. Repeat, icy right 5, stay in, don't go wide late long. 30.
Right 5?
Yep, long, stay in, late, don't go wide. 30, bridge into left 9. Into right 9 at junction. Repeat, left 9 into right 9 at junction. Into left 9. 80. Left 9 half long, ends over small crest. Repeat, 80. Left 9 half long, ends over small crest.
What's that?
That was all good. I got some water in my 100. Right 9 half long. 100. Be right 9 half long, 100 up.
Lots of water here.
Yep. Into icy at top, big crest, caution, into right 8, late, stay in. Repeat, caution, icy at top, big crest, into right 8, late, stay in. Into left 8. Into right 8, late, stay in. Into left 8. 50, flat right. 30, left 8 plus. 30, right 7 short, tightens over crest and opens 9 extra long. Be tightens short over crest and then opens 9 extra long. Into left 9 long, tightens 9 minus. 50 through water. Right 9. 50 through water, right 9. 50, right 9.
It's a nice ring.
Yeah. Right 9, line 150 up. Big crest into flat right 100 over bumpy water. Be flat right 100 over bumpy water, left 9 long ends over crest. Bumpy water and then left 9 long ends over crest. Into right flat right long. 80. Flat left, to be right, flat right here long, 80, flat left. 50, keep mid over jump, 150. Flat right, into left 8 short.
Left what?
Flat right, into left 8 short. Into right 9. Into left 9. Into flat right up. Big crest, 20. Right 8 plus long over bump. Caution bump water into left 8 half long. Repeat, right 8 plus long over bump. The caution bump water into left 8 half long at junction opens 9. Greens opens 9. 150. Flat right. Bad bumps in water. Big crest. 80. Flat right. 30. Left 8 plus, half long, into, caution, the left 8 neat bumps. This is the left 8 plus half long here, into caution, left 8 neat bumps. Into right 9, 30, left 8 through water, into, right 8 through water, into, flat left, into flat right, into right 9 plus, extra long ends at top, 50. Left 8 opens over mid, opens mid over big crest, repeat left 8 opens mid over big crest into flat left, into right 8 long, tightens, repeat flat left, into right 8 long, tightens, into left 9 plus long, 100. Flat left, ends over crest, 30. Flat right, half long, ends over crest, icy down till the end. Got a few kilometers left.
Yep.
Okay, flat right, half long, ends over crest, down, icy to the left. And flat left, 30 line, right 8 over medium crest, and left 9 over crest. Into right 9. Repeat right 9, right 8 over medium crest, and left 9 over crest, into right 9, into left 8 off camber, down, stay in. Repeat right 9 into left 8 off camber, stay in.
Left what?
Left 8 off camber, in, down, stay in. 80 down. Left 7.
Okay.
Into right 9 plus. Into right 9, a bad bump, 80. Repeat right 9, bad bump, 80. Big crest, into right 8 plus, tighten 7 over crest up. Be right 8 plus, tighten 7 over crest up into big crest, into left 8 plus long, into caution, icy left 8 down, 30, repeat, icy left 8 down, 30, right 5, 100, left 7 plus long opens 9 after extra big crest. Repeat, left 7 plus long opens to 9 after extra big crest. 50. Right 6 into left 8 short. Repeat, right 6 into left 8 short. 20. Repeat, right 6 to the left 8 short, only 20, right 8. Into left 7 half long, and right 7. And line 100, bump, and left 8 muddy long. Repeat, muddy left 8 long, into right 8 long. To right 8 long, into right 7. Into left 6 plus extra long. Into
Left 6.
left 6 plus extra long, yep. Into flat right. 20, slippy left 7. Easy, easy, yeah.
Good.
Left, slippy left 7 here. Line 80. Then right 7, don't go wide through finish. Right 7, don't go wide through finish. 30, left 8 long through bridge. Okay.
All right.
What the fuck was that stage? Holy shit. What a joke.
I'm afraid part 2 is going to be worse and
Yeah.
longer.
Yeah.
Wow.
I found some holes in the firewall. I got blasted
So
right in
did
the
I.
eye a few times. So
Oh,
I'm,
yeah.
I'm keeping my foot here to kind of block it.
Okay. My left side is completely wet too.
Yeah. And then it's coming in through the transmission
Yeah.
panel as well.
I was expecting this one.